The tourism product development company TPOCO says Jamaica is expecting more than 4 million visitors this year because it has done a lot to address the sore issue of tourist harassment that's plaguing the industry. TVJ's KIRK Wright tells us more in this report.
Millions of tourists visit our shores each year, and cruise ships carry a substantial amount of them. But not long after the Falmouth cruise ship terminal was opened in 2011, visitor harassment was rampant, leading to 3 major cruise lines quitting in July. Now things are looking up again in Falmouth. Executive Director of the Tourism Product Development Company TPOCO, Andrew Spencer, says he's expecting a pickup in the cruise ship business for the town for the next 12 months.
We have been in dialogue with the cruise lines. In fact, they were very pleased to see what we've done with Falmouth, which is why we want to replicate that. So the cruise lines are now saying we're moving in the right direction. Also because of what has happened, unfortunately with the disaster in other Caribbean countries, we are getting some increased calls. What we have to ensure is that when we get these increased calls, we are able to capitalize on it in such a way that they become business for the future.
Mr. Spencer says things are looking up because of a clampdown on visitor harassment. Some of those who previously harassed visitors have been retrained and are now official tour guides.
We took some individuals off the streets of Falmouth, and what we did was to clean them up, give them medical checks, train them for a few weeks, and converted them into formal tour guides where we gave them uniforms and a sign that says, "Ask me."
The tour guides confessed that since they have stopped harassing the visitors, their economic situation has improved.
The government put us here in order to control less harassment for the tourists, in which it is working 200% better than the last growth that we have in tourist industry. A lots of tourists is commenting they love it and they love the uniform.
Right now it's kind of different and more better for my kids because we get privileged to go at the gate now and can assist the visitor when they come here. So it's more easier for us if we can go there and we can get a $2 more or a $5 when we come back.
All the guys that are now working within this the tour guide team, we were just out there freelancing, and now they are enrolled as workers, tour guides, and they are definitely making a difference moving around the town of Falmouth. And the guys that are now not working and seeing the energy and seeing the changes and the difference, they also want to come on and be a part of this program.
KIRK Wright, TVJ News.